After we have completed our schedule development, now it's the time to move to the next key process in the planning phase or the planning key process group, which is the planning cost management. So welcome to this session on cost planning, which is a very important component of the project or the project management planning phase. Cost planning is the process of determining or the financial resources required to complete the project successfully. It ensures that the project is delivered within the approved budget while meeting its objectives. In this session, we'll explore the purpose of cost planning, its relationship with other project planning processes, and its role in driving the project success. What exactly is cost planning? So, cost planning involves systematically estimating the financial requirements of the project and prepare the budget. Also, implementing measures to monitor and control the expenses of the project. It helps the project managers to allocate resources efficiently and manage the financial risks effectively. The purpose of having a cost planning. So, the primary purpose of cost planning is to ensure financial visibility and accountability in the project. By estimating and budgeting the cost accurately, project managers can make informed decisions and secure stakeholder trust and proactively address any financial risks. The role of cost planning in planning process group. Cost planning is interdependent with scope, schedule, and risk management. For instance, the project scope defines the deliverables, while the schedule gates or finds the timelines, both of which impact the cost estimation and budgeting. Effective cost planning creates a cohesive framework for managing the financial performance. Now let's have an overview on the cost related processes. Cost related processes including estimating the cost of activities that we have, developed when we were doing the developing the schedule. We find all of these activities. We estimated the time for each of these activities. Now it's the time to estimate cost of these activities. So these processes collectively ensure that financial resources are managed effectively throughout the project life cycle. So the key processes here that we are going to cover is estimating the cost, determining the budget, and controlling costs importance of establishing the baseline. How it's aligned with the scope and schedule. So accurate cost planning requires a well-defined scope and schedule. Without clarity on deliverables and timelines, it becomes challenging to allocate financial resources effectively. Therefore, cost planning aligns closely with these foundational project elements. Who are the key stakeholders are involved in cost planning? So the project managers collaborate with various stakeholders, including the finance team and the executive sponsors, to ensure that the budgets align with the organizational goals and constraints of the project. And this collaborative approach enhances the financial decision making process. The key challenges that you might face when doing cost planning. So, challenges in cost planning often arise from uncertainties, such as fluctuated sources or prices or changes in project scope. Addressing these challenges requires robust estimation techniques and regular updates and audits to ensure its its match or its comparison to the cost baseline. The benefits of having an effective cost planning. Effective cost planning minimizes the financial risks and building the stakeholder confidence, and also ensure an optimal resource utilization, leading to higher chances of the project success. To summarize our session on cost planning. So, in this session, we introduced the cost planning and we highlighted its purpose, significance, and the integration with other project planning processes, with its importance to be integrated with. So, by understanding its benefits and challenges, you can enhance your project financial health and deliver a value to your stakeholders.